Okay, hey guys. Just before the test this weekend, because you have your second test starting tomorrow through Monday, I wanted to share with you. I just finished grading the egg Osmosis Lab, and it seems like there's a little bit of confusion or not really understanding what was happening. I'm gonna give you the link to this video. It's the Sci Guys. They're just doing this exact lab at home, but then they have some great um, pictures or video, I guess, of what's happening so you understand that we're looking at the movement of water. So you start with your egg in the vinegar, okay? It's dissolving the shell, but it's also pulling water into the egg, okay? And we're looking at the solute concentration. So vinegar is a acetic acid, and so there's more of those acetic acid molecules than there is water out here. Okay, and then the same thing inside, the solute concentration is different. Okay, so the water is going to move into the cell to even out the solute concentration. Okay, so it pulls water in. Then, when you put that egg into the corn syrup, okay, now your corn syrup is thick, right? So you know there's not a lot of water in there. So then that's going to pull the water out of the egg. That egg is going to shrivel up, and then your volume in your beaker should have increased for that lab too. Okay, now you have this tiny egg. Okay, you take it out of the corn syrup. Now you're just going to put it in water. What do you think is going to happen? The water is going to flow back into the egg and make it bigger. Okay, and you should have been able to see those varying levels of volumes of water, and then you should also be able to see the different size of the egg, which most of you did get that information correct. It was when it became time to apply it in the questions. Okay, and then you had the 4 application questions, which were why do plants get watered, or why do fruits and vegetables get water at the grocery store? Why is the salt on the road bad for plants? Why is salt water bad for a crew member to be drinking? And then why would the strawberries covered in sugar end up watery? Okay, same topic. Okay, we're all talking about osmosis here, and osmosis is the diffusion of water. So whenever you answer a question and it's referring to osmosis, you better be talking about water moving across a membrane, not corn syrup or not sugar. Okay, so in the strawberry example, osmosis is happening. Okay, the sugar is more concentrated on the outside than it is on the inside, so it's going to pull the water out to try to even that out. Okay, the same thing with the salt on the road. Okay, that salt, it's more concentrated on the outside. It's going to pull water out of the plant, therefore dehydrating, and it will kill the plant. And then the plants or the fruits and vegetables in the grocery store, they're going to wilt. If they don't get any water, they're going to wilt. So now if you spray them, osmosis will occur. They'll pull the water in through the leaves, and then they'll, brighten back up and they'll be fresh again, or fresh looking again. Okay, so that's what you need to know for that. So I want you to watch this video because it's good for that. Then, let's see here. Your Learn Smart assignments are due today. Labs 3 and 4 were due on Tuesday, and there's not very many of those from people. Remember, you have 1 week to turn those things in. Okay, and you get 10% off each day that it's late, but at least you get some points. Okay, then you have your tests this weekend, and then you have a second journal entry due. Now, remember on your test, you have to be on integrity. Okay, if you do not have integrity video this time, I will give you a 0. Okay, no questions asked. You've got to get that working. That's why I made you make those videos at the beginning. Also, when you make your test video, make sure you click Start a Test. Otherwise, everyone can see the test that you took and see all the answers that you answered. So make sure you are clicking Start a Test. Okay? And I think that's it for right now. I want you to keep in mind, if you have questions, you need to be asking me. You can set up a time to talk on the phone. We can do a video conference call so I can draw and answer any questions that you need. I made that video on cellular respiration, and I can do that for any topic that you want, just like I did this one for the lab. Okay, You have to be able to apply the concepts that you're learning. So if you are unsure about something, you need to be asking me. That's what I am here for. I am your instructor. So use me, okay? If anybody wants a video call before your test this weekend, just let me know. Send me an email or give me a phone call and we can set something up. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys soon.